150 sentences for beginners. The book is interesting. Negative. The book isn't interesting. Yes/no question. Is the book interesting? WH question. How is the book? Tag question. The book is interesting, isn't it? Alejandra sings well. Negative. Alejandra doesn't sing well. Yes/no question. Does Alejandra sing well? WH question. How does Alejandra sing? Tag question. Alejandra sings well, doesn't she? Ava and Mia go home. Negative. Ava and Mia don't go home. Yes/no question. Do Ava and Mia go home? WH question. Where do Ava and Mia go? Tag question. Ava and Mia go home, don't they? Luna and Mila run fast. Negative. Luna and Mila don't run fast. Yes/no question. Do Luna and Mila run fast? WH question. How do Luna and Mila run? Tag question. Luna and Mila run fast, don't they? The cat sleeps on the bed. Negative. The cat doesn't sleep on the bed. Yes/no question. Does the cat sleep on the bed? WH question. Where does the cat sleep? Tag question. The cat sleeps on the bed, doesn't it?